A Love Where Dark Meets the Sunlight. Chapter 11. The following morning, Princess Iristhea was roused from her sleep by the gentle presence of Amelia. As Amelia's gaze fell upon the princess, a gasp of shock escaped her lips. Iristhea's eyes were puffy and swollen, surrounded by a faint, bruised color. Noticing Amelia's horrified expression, the princess asked in a hoarse, cracked voice, "What happened? Why do you look so shocked?" Amelia's voice, thick with pity, broke the silence. "Princess, why are your eyes so swollen? Did you cry yourself to sleep yesterday?" The princess's shock was palpable. She rushed to her mirror, unable to believe the reflection staring back at her. Her face was distorted, unrecognizable. Panicked and unsure of what to do, she turned back to Amelia. "What can I do? How do I make the swelling go down and make my face normal again?" "Don't worry, Princess," Amelia replied, her voice soothing. "A cold compress will help. If you chill a cloth in cold water and gently press it over your closed eyelids, it will bring down the swelling." "Do it now," Iristhea urged, her tone laced with panic. "And swear to me, Amelia, that you won't tell a soul about this." "Yes, my princess," Amelia affirmed, already moving to do her bidding. Amelia hurried out to prepare the cold compress, leaving Iristhea alone with her frantic thoughts. The princess sat on her bed, her mind consumed by worry over her swollen face. Minutes later, Amelia returned with the cloth. Iristhea lay back as Amelia gently pressed the cool, damp compress against her closed eyelids for half an hour. When she finally removed it, the puffiness had noticeably subsided. "The swelling hasn't completely disappeared," Amelia said, "but it's much better. If we take any more time, everyone will start to worry. Perhaps we should begin getting ready. It should continue to go down as the morning progresses." Relieved, the princess agreed. "Okay, if you think so, let's get ready for brunch." With that, Amelia helped Iristhea prepare to face the day. Stepping out of her chambers, Princess Iristhea was met with the sight of Asmodeus, who was waiting just outside her door. He offered her a bright, happy smile. "Shall we go to the dining hall?" he asked cheerfully. "Yes," she replied. With a nod, Asmodeus and the lady-in-waiting escorted the princess to the dining hall. Princess Iristhea sat down at the table and began to eat, but she felt a gaze on her. She glanced sideways at Asmodeus, who was staring intently. "Asmodeus," she asked, her voice a low murmur. "What is it? Why are you looking at me without blinking?" "Princess," he replied, his voice just as quiet, "why are your eyes slightly swollen?" Her heart skipped a beat. She was shocked that he had noticed. She shot a quick, worried look at Amelia before turning back to Asmodeus. "When I was applying my face powder," she lied smoothly, "a little bit of it accidentally got into my eyes." "But, Princess, did the powder get in both of your eyes?" Asmodeus pressed, his gaze unwavering. A flash of anger crossed Princess Iristhea's face. "Must I answer every question you ask? Listen to what I am telling you. You don't have the right to question me. Understood?" "Yes, my princess. Understood," Asmodeus replied, his voice quiet as he bowed his head.